Hello and welcome to this session on performing a diagnostic assessment to identify potential causes and solutions for issues such as difficulty starting the engine, poor fuel economy, or suboptimal engine performance despite the engine cranking. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to understand the common reasons behind an engine cranking, identify potential causes for poor fuel economy in a vehicle, explore practical diagnostic techniques to pinpoint issues related to starting, fuel efficiency, and overall engine operation.
Tools, equipments and materials required. Trainees toolkit, multimeter, one diagnostics tool, vehicle lift or jack stands, fuel pressure gauge. The initial step is troubleshooting electronic petrol ignition system is when the engine cranks but fails to start. Let's begin with it. When encountering a scenario where there is no fuel in the tank, the first step is to address this issue by adding fuel and ensuring it is the correct type for the vehicle. If the issue continues and there is no fuse for the fuel pump, it's important to replace the fuse and ensure the replaced one is of the correct type. Moreover, if the fuel pump switching circuit and safety circuit are not working, it is essential to repair or replace the components of the pump circuit to restore proper functionality. If the fuel pump is not working, the best solution is to replace it. This involves installing a new fuel pump to ensure the proper functioning of the vehicle's fuel delivery system. A blocked fuel filter can also hinder fuel flow, necessitating its replacement to maintain an unobstructed fuel pathway. In the case of a damaged fuel line, it is essential to undertake repairs or replace the damaged section of the fuel line to ensure a secure and functional connection. If there is no injectors or they are inoperative, a comprehensive approach involves testing, repairing, and replacing the electronic fuel injection (EFI) main relay, EFI injector harness, and the electronic control unit (E.C.U). Engines equipped with cold start injectors might start when cold, run briefly, and then stop. The brief runtime indicates the fuel pump is working well, but there may be a fault in the main injectors or the injector control circuits. Our next topic is addressing potential issues in the cold start system. If the cold start system faces an electrical circuit fault, addressing the issues involves repairing or replacing the faulty electrical circuit. Similarly, if the thermotime switch is not functioning, it should be replaced with a new one to ensure proper operation. If the cold start injector malfunctions, the most effective resolution is to replace the problematic injector. When the cold start is initiated by the engine control unit (E.C.U), a faulty coolant temperature sensor could be the culprit. Replacing the sensor becomes necessary to rectify the issue. Moreover, if there is a fault in the electrical harness associated with the coolant temperature sensor and E.C.U., the recommended action is to repair or replace the harness or reliable functionality. In instances where the E.C.U itself is found to be faulty during a cold start, replacing the engine control unit is the appropriate remedy. By systematically addressing these potential issues, one ensures the proper functioning of the cold start system, allowing the engine to initiate and operate smoothly in cold conditions. The next task is addressing challenges in starting a hot engine. A fuel pressure gauge provides visibility into the fuel delivery system's effectiveness, ensuring sufficient pressure for optimal engine performance. Inadequate pressure can lead to inefficient engine operation. If dealing with a potentiometer type airflow meter, a sticking sensor plate can impede performance. The solution involves freeing the plate and removing any external foreign material. In cases of incorrect fuel pressure, a systematic test helps pinpointing the problem zone, followed by repairing system plumbing and replacing the fuel filter, pressure regulator and fuel pump. Leaking fuel injectors, particularly when the engine is stopped, necessitates the replacement of faulty injectors. Additionally, a faulty cold start injector or its circuit may cause unexpected operation during a hot start, leading to a semi-flood condition that complicates starting. If your fuel injectors are malfunctioning and not delivering enough fuel to the engine, your car's efficiency will be compromised, leading to increased fuel consumption. Tackling these issues systematically through inspection, testing, and targeted component replacements ensures the effective resolution of hot engine starting challenges.
Let's recap this topic. In this topic, you have learned that in cases of incorrect fuel pressure, a systematic test helps pinpoint the problem zone, followed by repairing system plumbing and replacing the fuel filter, pressure regulator and fuel pump. When the cold start is initiated by the engine control unit (E.C.U), a faulty coolant temperature sensor could be the culprit. Replacing the sensor becomes necessary to rectify the issue.